Hotspots are the foundational layer of interactivity that will bring your asset to life by allowing you to connect all of your different pages, overlays, and even link out of the experience if you like. To set up a hotspot, simply drag the hotspot tile onto your page and place it over the area that you'd like to be clickable. Then in the Properties panel on the right-hand side, you'll see a Link To dropdown. This will have you set where you want the link to go. It can go to another page, to an overlay, to an external URL, or click to email and click to call. So that's setting hotspots one at a time. However, a big time saver is setting up multi-hotspots, which allow you to set multiple links within one given clickable area. This is great if you have an evenly spaced menu or navigation that shows up on multiple pages. Instead of setting hotspots one at a time, simply drag the hotspot over the whole area. And once you've set your first hotspot link, go ahead and hit the plus button to add additional. This will create a block of hotspots that fit your menu or navigation. Now, by default, we'll set them to have a vertical orientation. However, you can toggle to horizontal, and you'll see that then it now spaces it nicely, evenly across. From there, you can copy and paste this block of hotspots in the same place across all of your pages you want the links to exist. If you have any image tiles that are configured with hover states, like this play button, adding a hotspot over the top will actually block that hover interaction from even happening. So because of that, in the Properties panel on the right-hand side, we've added in a click event. It's essentially your built-in hotspot to say we are linking this image to this overlay and setting a hover effect to take place. Now, the click event that you're seeing for the image tile is also available in the text tile, as well as our Lottie animations. So just because there isn't a blue square showing on the page canvas doesn't mean that it's not clickable. Just make sure to check the Properties panel. One last best practice for hotspots that we want to cover is when it comes to overlays. Now, in the right-hand section of the builder, under overlays, let's say on this cover page, the video play button here is going to link to a pop-up video player. Now, we already have that set up in this example for the video overlay. In many cases for overlays, we'll give you a X or a close icon that already goes back to the previous page. But let's say you wanted to make the entire page clickable outside of the video, meaning that we will set up a hotspot from corner to corner. And if anybody clicks away from the video, we're going to go ahead and link to the page in which they came from. In this case, it is the cover page. And now from there, all that you need to do is set it as the background layer. So whether it is a video you have in the overlay or an image pop-up with a team member's bio card, as long as you set that hotspot underneath whatever layer or tile is showing up, then whenever anybody goes to that overlay, in addition to using the X button to close, they can simply click out away from the video player to return back. We hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions on hotspots, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@tiled.co.